ফ্রেন্ডস, তোমরা কেমন আছো? আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছো। আজকে আবার তোমাদের ইংলিশ শেখার জন্য একটা নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে এসেছি। তার আগে ভিডিওতে আমার সঙ্গে থাকার জন্যে প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব মাই চ্যানেল অ্যান্ড প্রেস দ্য লাইক বাটন ফর গেটিং মোর ভিডিওস। আমি আগেও বলেছি, আবারও বলছি যে ইংলিশ এই ভাষাটিকে শেখার জন্য তোমাকে ইংলিশেই থিঙ্কিং করতে হবে। এটা তুমি ক্লাস 3তে পড়ো বা কলেজ যেই পড়ো, তুমি যদি সঠিকভাবে ইংলিশ শিখতে চাও তো ইংরেজির মাধ্যমেই তোমাকে শিখতে হবে, তবেই তুমি ইংলিশে ফ্লুয়েন্ট হতে পারবে। Now let's start today's lesson. Today we will teach from Wings 3 part 1. Today we learn about some animals and birds sounds, their baby's name and their food habits. Let's read. The cat mews. She wants to eat fish and milk. The dog barks. He loves to eat rice, bread, milk, meat, and biscuits. Actually, the cat's mews, everyone know the cat sound is mew mew. This sound is called mews. And dog ghew ghew, this is called bark. Next, the goat sound ba ba, it is called bleats. He likes to have green leaves and grass. Next, the sheep sound also called bleats. That means we can see here the goat sound and the sheep sounds are very similar. Sheep also likes to eat green leaves and grass. The cow sound is moose. She wants to eat hay, green leaves, grass, fruits and vegetables. The horse neighs. He likes to eat hay and grasses. Everyone know hay means Bengali it is called khod. The hen cackles. She likes to eat seeds and grains and also small worms. Next, the duck sounds is quacks. She likes to eat small insect, fishes, plants from water. She also eats corn seeds and grains. Now we will do a activity. Let's do activity 4. Fill in the chart correctly. 1 is done for you. Domestic animals, actually dog, cat, sheep, cow, goats, all are domestic animal. The domestic animals, next their baby's name and next sound, then their given food habits and also given in picture. 1 is done for you. Dog's baby's name is puppy. Its sound is bark and food name is bread and meat. Everyone see dog. Now cat. What is called cat baby? Cat baby is called kitten. Cat baby is called kitten. Kitten. Cat sounds is, everyone knows, mews. 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 Cat's food, we have already told previously that its food habit is fish and milk. They only ask you for any two food habits, fish and milk. Next, sheep. Sheep babies also. What is sheep baby's name? Sheep baby's name, anyone can tell the answer? Sheep sound is called bleat, and sheep's food item is grass and leaves. And tell sheep baby's name. Sheep baby's name is lamb. Sheep baby's name is lamb. 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 And its sound is called bleat. Bleat. And its food habit is leaves. Leaves. Leaves and grass. Grass. Now cow. Cow's baby is called calf. Calf. Its sound is called moose. OOS. And its food habit is also leaves, grass, vegetables, etc. But here we write only two leaves and fruits or vegetables. Next, goat. Goat's baby's name is kid. Kid. And its sound is called also sheep sound, that means bleat. Bleat. And its food habit also leaves and grass. Leaves and grass. Grass. Today I want to finish this lesson here. So we learn here from some animals' name and their sound, their baby's name, and their food habit. Already I told that if you learn English in correct way or this way, first you have to see my video at least 5 to 6 times. If you follow me at least half years or 6 months, every day 30 minutes, then after 6 months you will be fluent in English, in writing and speaking. Thank you for watching this video.